Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jaggery wine. This easy method will guide you through creating a delicious homemade beverage. First, you'll need 1 kilogram of Jaggery, 3 liters of water, and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. For extra flavor, consider adding a few cinnamon sticks, some cloves, or a few green cardamom pods. Remember, cleanliness is key, so sanitize all your tools and your fermentation vessel before you begin. Now, let's get to the mixing. Start by boiling your 3 liters of water, then let it cool down completely to room temperature. This step is crucial for the yeast. Once cooled, dissolve the entire 1 kilogram of Jaggery into the water, stirring until it's fully incorporated and smooth. Finally, gently stir in your 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast and any optional spices you've chosen to enhance the flavor profile. With your mixture ready, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight fermentation jar. Make sure to leave about 1/5 of the jar empty to allow for gas expansion during fermentation. Place your jar in a cool, dark spot and let it begin its magical transformation for at least 21 days. For the initial 7 to 10 days, remember to gently stir the mixture once daily with a clean, dry wooden spoon. Once primary fermentation is complete, it's time to prepare your wine for enjoyment. Carefully strain the liquid through a clean muslin cloth to separate all the solids, leaving you with clear Jaggery wine. Transfer this beautiful wine into clean, dry glass bottles and seal them tightly. For the best flavor, allow your bottled wine to mature in a dark place for an additional 2 to 4 weeks. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.